You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 3x. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Add x to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 2 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the x into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 2.